Or swirls the same amount, I guess. Makes sense. Good to know, though. So now we have no excuse. But I'm sure I'll make one up anyways. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Should I get a third pair of headphones, chat? Maybe that's what I need. Fuck off. It was too fast. I need more headphones. Where the fuck are my headphones? I don't have an extra.
没能突破厄运的封锁。好胆子，大地的谜。
Bro, all I got were earphones. I don't know where my other headsets are.
Do you think wearing that maid outfit will help? Speaking for research purposes.
Do you think that wearing the maid outfit will help? Probably, honestly. Yo, clear this time if you're the Jungkook of Genshin? I got you. This game is ass. This game is garbage. Clear if you're the Jungkook of Genshin? I got
Can you
you.
wear it pretty please? I'll give another 5 subs. Sad face emoji.
No. Clear if you're 6'5"? Well, now I'm not gonna clear because I'm taller. Bro. I tried it out. I 12 twice. I literally 12 twice. I 12 twice. I did a double 12. I did a 24.
How about the squid outfit? No?
Bro. Sucrose normal attack is the most useless normal attack in the game. I will say though, a stupid mechanic is when you get stuck under a boss and can't swap. Like, bro, just move me aside. Move me an inch to the left and then let me swap. You can do that for me. Bro. A bit slow. Not the best from us, but It should do.
该走攻击了。6308，攻听太阳的轰鸣，湮灭，点燃吧。履行盟约吧，星魔们，让你见识见识。我来保护大家。西弗里测试，超快的埋葬于赤焰之下。
Okay, there's no reason for Sucrose to go pyro there. Oh, fuck. I mean, whatever. Honestly, probably fine. Messed up the ending, but happens. I think he's pyro, isn't he? I mean, and we didn't crit. So, even if we played perfect, that was unlucky. I got stuck at inverse. And now it's pyro. Wow.
Is that the Fanon of Genshin on my
So
screen?
unlucky.
The
That is me, bro.
Gotchos, the greatest gotcha gamer to exist.
I think the more I look at chat, the worse I get. Like, look, I'll do a run without looking at chat. No.
可交给你们俩了，我来保护大家。西弗里测试，无射天火，湮灭，要加速了。斯特拉林一字啪啪给我上！该走攻击了。6308射锋单元，攻听太阳的轰鸣。
12. Okay.
确认安全距离。好，呀，西弗里测试。出来大华，可交给你们俩了。我来保护大家。七武士，埋葬于赤焰之下。
Fuck, I have to wait more, bro. It's fine. We fixed it. We fucked up, but we fixed it. No, we did not fix it. I have to wait so long, man. It's okay. It's still winnable. Still winnable. Just chill. Just wait. Okay, it's not. Man. But, bro, I'm so much better without chat. You see that? No, just don't look at chat and you got it. Maybe another pair of headphones. I fucked up the melt on the second. I'm too quick. Like, I start rushing at the end, you know? You just gotta chill. Just chill. There's no rush. That's why the turtle beat the lynx, the hare. You guys know the turtle and the hare? Okay. Just slow it down. Be slow. Maybe I need classical music, like Beethoven, von Ludwig. It's pyro because Sucrose's normal attack is a fucking disgrace to this whole game. Yo. I tried to swirl the pyro. What happens?
全距离。呀呀，嘿哈。
Monkey. Classical music playlist. Classical music
不能再
for
输了，
King Before Battle.
不会行。
Is this copyrighted? I mean, surely not, right? Actually, it might be.
天机会碎掉的。研究又失败了。 不出意料的。
I got a classical playlist for a prince building his empire. Jesus. Why is it so loud? That didn't hit me, but all good.
除了弹滑，斯特拉林一字爬爬更上，该走攻击了。西弗里测试，无射天火，湮灭。
Yay, no melts because I went too fast. You think I give a fuck? I'm not resetting. Go fuck yourself.
收起来吧，履行盟约吧，星魔们，你也可交给你。有大家在身边。6308，埋葬于赤焰之下。
No crit.
湮灭，粉灭不尽。不必留情，斯特拉林一字爬爬更上，该走攻击了。西弗里测试，无相之风，无射天火。
This was too fast again. Me.
收起来吧。确认安全距离。嗨嘿嘿，6308射锋单元，不应该呀。履行盟约吧，星魔们，你也可交给你。我来保护大家。嘿，就是超级攻听太阳的轰鸣。除了弹滑。
Is this music too classical?
西弗里测试，确认安全距离。来，哈哈。点燃吧，收起来吧。西弗里测试，嘿呀呀呀，嘿。
Rondo from Serenade in D major by Mozart. Trust me, man, it's perfect.
斯特拉林一字爬，有大家在身边。确认安全距离，无射天火。除了弹滑，让我们见识见识恶药伤人。我来保护大家。6308，埋葬于赤焰之下。 动力全开！不必留情，也可交给你们俩了。有大家在身边，确认安全距离。无射天火，
I just 12s.
湮灭。
Oops, I 12.
随我。6308射锋单元，确认安全距离。
I got stuck. Man.
6308射锋单元，西弗里测试。嘿嘿呀，嘿哈。
I don't know what to do when that happens. Maybe just keep going.
谁要阻拦？除了弹滑，斯特拉林一字爬爬更上。我来保护大家。确认安全距离，无下攻听太阳的轰鸣。湮灭。
Health smudger?
Take chat's suggestions, bro. It's better than whatever's playing. Go Jupiter.
力测试，
无赦天国。
No. I must have remembered the wrong one. Gotcha songs that hit hard 2-hour playlist. Good luck. I guess, bro.
单元吸附力测试，呀呀，嘿吼，嘿，
烈日随我，
可交给你们俩了。
我来保护大家。
超快，
恭听太阳的轰鸣。湮灭。收起来吧，
不必留情，让我见识见识恶药伤人。
该走攻击了。埋葬于赤焰之下。
我靠。
要加速了。
出了大火，可交给你们俩了。
我来保护大家。
就是，
恭听太阳的轰鸣。湮灭。点燃吧。
6308射锋单元吸附力测试，嘿呀，呀，履行盟约吧，星魔们，让我见识见识。
有大家在身边。
6308射锋，
无赦天国。烈日随我。收起来吧，
可交给你们俩了。
我来保护大家。埋葬于赤焰之下。
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Bro, fuck this game! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, I hate this game so much. Bro, this music was ass too. Hey, we fucking did it! Hey, we fucking did it! Hey, I'm too good. They said it couldn't be done. But who believed in me? I did. Bro, I could have just done it with Varka, but no, man. No, I had to prove something, you know? I had something to prove. Bro, it's because we cooked with the lab coat. Oh my god, that didn't even take like that long. Well, oh, yes, yes, yes. Bro, I'm like,
I have no lost my
I
mind.
hate this
I will sue
fucking.
you
This was
for
the
my
worst
mental
boss they've ever
disorders.
fucking put in Stygian. I don't care. This boss can go to fucking hell. This boss and whoever did, like, bro.